Hello friends, welcome to Daring Marana YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about procedure for taking main engine bottom end bearing clearance. So let's discuss about procedure for taking main engine bottom end bearing clearance. So lead wear method. This is a traditional method, but this requires that bearing are tightened just to obtain the clearance. So this is the traditional method. Here we will tighten the bearing to obtain the clearance. The procedure for taking the clearance is as follows. Turn the crankshaft and set the crank at TDC position. We need to turn the crankshaft and set the crank at TDC position. And we need to remove the locking arrangements and mark the nut position. Remove the locking arrangement and mark the nut position. After this, we need to slacken the nut and lower the bottom half with bolt. We need to slacken the nut and lower the bottom half with bolt. Then 3 length of the lead wire would be laid circumferentially in the bottom half at 3 places. Then 3 length of the lead wire would be laid circumferentially in the bottom half at 3 places. And we will place the bottom half into position and tighten the nut to its tightening torque. We will place the bottom half into position and tighten the nut to its tightening torque. And we will lower down the bottom half again. We will lower the bottom half again, and we will remove the lead wire. We will remove the lead wire and we will take the measurement. So it must be within the limit. And if it is out of limit, then bearing shell must be replaced with a new one, or readjust the clearance by adjusting the shims, or readjusting the clearance by adjusting the shims. Feeler gauge method means it is another method to procedure for taking main engine bottom end bearing clearance. Feeler gauge method means this is a quick method, but not difficult. Should not be precise, because more difficult to be accurate when using long feeler gauges. Therefore, procedure for taking the clearance is as follows. We need to turn the crankshaft like that and set that crank at BDC. In the lead wire method, we will turn the crankshaft and set it at TDC. Here we will set it at BDC. And we will insert the feeler gauge between the lower half and crank pin. We will insert the feeler gauge between lower half and crank pin, and we will take the measurement reading. So that this is a simple method, quick method. So that, but chance of being it accurate is very less. Thank you.